Fefdy.
Forms of air. The moving air is called wind. A gentle wind is called breeze. It makes the leaves and flowers sway.
That's nice. I feel good whenever there is a gentle breeze.
The fast blowing wind is called a storm. A storm is harmful. It can blow things away. Storms can damage buildings. It can uproot trees and spoil crops.
Uncle, that sounds dangerous.
The strong wind that comes with thunder and rain is called a thunderstorm. We must be safe inside our house in such situations.
It is fascinating to know the power of air. Air can be as gentle as a dove or powerful as an eagle.
Indeed, Bianca, let's be thankful for being able to breathe clean air, the essence of life, every day.